Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Melanie's Family Channel. We're doing an unboxing of the Boxy Girl. Well, again,
And we also got triplets of our ones in the last video.
So you gotta go back and watch the other video or else you'll not know what she's talking about at all.
So I'm gonna open up this.
Okay, so we already took them out of the boxes, these big boxes right here. And, yeah, it's the Boxy Girls Unbox Online Shopping Fun video.
I'm just gonna start.
So we got 4 of them. They each come with all these little boxes.
And big ones.
And one big doll. So she's got 2 of these girls.
And I got one more. Go watch that video like Mom said.
And then she's got,
I guess we're going with that one.
she's got 2 of these girls. Okay, girl. Start opening them. Go ahead.
I'm gonna open up the big one.
Throw the boxes in here when you got them, girl, okay? I'll help you open them.
Another brush. Oh my god. It's a kitty cat.
Hey, you don't need to hold the brush up there for 10 minutes, girl. Just show the brush and move on.
That's the boxes.
Here, show them those. It's a bunch of earrings. A bunch of earrings.
Little earrings, like strawberries and stuff like that.
Keep going, girlie. What's this? What's this? Oh. And all 4 girls can share. She's got other ones, too, that we opened the other day.
Hi.
Here.
Skirt.
No, the camera's over there, girl.
Wait,
show the camera.
It's a skirt.
There you go.
Oh, your phone just back.
You can't bump the table that hard, girl.
Glasses.
Here, I'm doing it for you, honey. You can choose.
I want to do it.
Okay, well, do it. Hang on, let me pause the video for 1 second. I can't. Never mind, just kidding. Small joke. There you go, show that one.
French papers. So,
Quickly, girlie.
there's a radio, and it comes with.
Okay, come on, girlie, come on. Oh no, my nail broke. Look.
4 cute little blue shoes. You carrying a box? Thanks.
All these right here. I just gave you like 10. Want to show everybody? I'm setting stuff down here. Not even showing.
Some earrings and some stuff.
What are these? What are these? Look, show them.
Some shoes. Come on, over.
Sophia. Don't be rude. Very nice. We got company, honey. So I'm handing you these things so you can,
Some green earrings, I think.
This is all one
We
skirt.
got another skirt. Tennis shoes.
Alright, let's show everybody. All this is from one box. One whole box, all this stuff.
With the present purse.
Disco ball, yeah. Show that one. This last one right here. Ooh, necklaces and bracelets. We get different things, honey. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.